Let's start afresh. So you on your Ford Transit car audio, and it's requesting for the code. The code normally is a four-digit number, like a pin, more of. Mine, I think mine is in the pigeonhole on the car audio system. That's where I got mine. So to enter the codes, it's pretty simple. So this one is for the first digit. This is for the second digit. This is for the third, and this is for the fourth and final digit. And 5 is the enter. And once that happens, the radio is on. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please click like button if this video has been very useful to you. Thank you very much.